Hi, today I'm going to show you how to wire the Yourbell with the Ring video doorbell button. If you turn the Yourbell over, you'll notice a removable 8-pin connector on the circuit board. Gently remove it and notice the wiring label on the back of the connector. Now, remove that and connect the two wires from the Ring video doorbell button coming out the back to the connector on positions 1 and 2. If you want it attached to button number 1, if you want to also attach it to button number 2, you can connect it to positions 3 and 4. It really doesn't matter. Use a Phillips screwdriver to do this on the back of the connector. Then take your transformer wires from your AC and power into positions 5 and 6 on the connector, and you are ready to put your connector back on the circuit board. Then, lastly, all you need to do is power up.
Where's the kaboom?
When you hear the voice of "Where's the kaboom?" you're ready for your Ring doorbell.